Hey you guys, welcome to Valley Soap's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing for y'all. I have some supplies that just came in that we're about to use. This is something I'm going to try to do every couple weeks is unbox any supply orders or orders that I've made with other soapers and just that kind of thing. So just so I can bring you guys something a little bit different other than soap making. But I'm super excited for this package because it's going to have something in here that I need to make soap today. So I'm just going to cut the sides. So along with receiving this today I have also placed an order for more business cards. I don't know what I was thinking when I placed my first order. I only ordered 100 cards and no wonder I'm out of business cards already. So this time I ordered 500 business cards from Vistaprint. They gave me a promo code. And then I also ordered little promo cards that's going to go in some Halloween bags. So here we are. I've got castor oil. That's what I needed today to make the Halloween soap. We're doing an event in October, and what I'm going to do is put in a sample soap with a card that has a promo code for 15% off, as well as my business card. And I'm going to hand that out in little baggies to the adults, and then the kids are going to hand out candy. So there's going to be around 3,000 people there. So I'm a little bit nervous, so I'm especially making a batch just for this event to cut up just for samples. So I have not had a problem with this brand of castor oil. Amazon always delivers really fast. For me, this is the best size, so I don't really get huge bulk amounts of castor oil. This works for me. And then something else I needed. Okay. I know these are pretty tall bags. Let's see. But here it is. Here we go. So we'll have business card, the sample, the promo card, and we'll peel this little strip here and then fold it back like that. So I think they're actually going to be the perfect size. They're going to work. All right. Nice. So I got this today. And I did get, let's see, I had gotten a package a little late last week. What was it? I'm trying to think what it was. Oh, I think it was some more melt and pour for my specialty soaps. But I didn't record that because I am limited on space on my phone, so I am recording this on the tablet right now. So I do apologize if the lighting is bad or looks like that slipped down. Yeah. See, we I need to somehow work out the camera issue so that I can have either A, more space on my phone, which I don't know how that's possible, or B, just get a camera. So we'll see if that's in the stars for us. But yay! So now I'm gonna go make some Halloween soap. But until then, we'll see y'all next time. Bye.